Understanding what role your storage solution plays in your IT infrastructure will empower you and your business. Today, we're mastering the basics. Hello everyone, welcome back to Stan's Garage, bringing you everything you need to know for successful business IT management. So, we're starting a new series called Mastering the Basics. Today, we're going to be uncovering the importance of understanding storage in your network's infrastructure. Let's get into it. Today's fast-paced digital world, businesses rely heavily on technology and data to drive their operations, right? I guess that goes without saying, or you wouldn't be here. You know what I mean? Among the various aspects of IT infrastructure we will cover, storage plays a vital role in ensuring seamless operations, data security, and business continuity. We're going to explore some different types of storage and why businesses need to prioritize educating themselves on the importance of storage within their network infrastructure. First, we're going to talk about efficient data management. Efficient storage management enables businesses to organize, store, and retrieve data effectively. Ever go looking for that file you can't ever find? Well, doing it in a better way will make those easier to locate in the future. So by understanding storage technologies and solutions, your business can optimize its data storage processes, ensuring quick and reliable access to critical information when needed. This efficiency translates into enhanced productivity, streamlines workflows, and allows for better decision making. Then we're going to talk about scalability and future-proofing. Educating yourself on businesses' storage capabilities empowers you to anticipate data growth needs and helps create a plan for scalability, right? As your business grows, so will its data requirements. In fact, they can increase exponentially. Investing in scalable storage solutions, your business can adapt to growing demands without disrupting operations, avoiding potential bottlenecks, and costly migration processes down the line. Considering storage, you're going to have to think about data protection and security, as I'm sure you can imagine. Storage education actually helps equip businesses with knowledge about data protection and security measures. Effective storage solutions incorporate features like encryption, access controls, data backup mechanisms to safeguard sensitive information against unauthorized access, cyber threats, and data loss, right? Nobody wants to suffer from any of these things. And by understanding these concepts, it's going to enable you to implement robust security practices, minimize the risk of data breaches, and ensures regulatory compliance if that's required by your industry. We're going to think about business continuity and disaster recovery. By implementing reliable storage systems with backup capabilities, you can protect your business's data from potential disasters such as hardware failures, natural disasters, or even malicious attacks. This is going to ensure minimal downtime, faster recovery, and continuity of critical operations, preventing significant financial losses and potentially reputational damage. Then you're going to think about cost. I mean, look, every business decision has a cost component to it. Choosing a storage method is significantly impacted by cost, right? Different storage technologies, which we'll get into, have varying costs, performance levels, and durability. Understanding these factors allows you to elevate the specific needs of your business, including budgetary constraints and performance requirements. It helps you choose the most cost-effective solutions, whether it's cloud or on-premises. So as we continue this discussion, you're going to really want to think about choosing the right storage solution and how crucial it is for efficient management, security, and scalability. So we're now going to go over some of the different types of storage options available for business. Some of these you might well be familiar with. The first are the plain old hard drives, right? Hard drives are your most traditional storage solution. They're widely used. They can often use magnetic disks. Nowadays, we're seeing more and more solid state media. They've come way down in cost. In fact, they're pretty comparable until you get much larger size drives. You can definitely get much larger hard disk drives, the biggest around 20 terabytes versus around 8 for an SSD. But anyway, you can have a lot of data for relatively inexpensive amounts. When you think about the hard drives, they're going to be a little more prone to mechanical failure than solid state drive. Solid state drives obviously have gained popularity because of their faster performance and somewhat increased reliability over hard disk drives. A somewhat failed hard disk drive, that can be recovered. Solid state drive fails, it's probably lost. Think about how flash memory is much faster, but when it goes, it pretty much goes. SSDs are ideal in most real world situations because of their performance. Their cost isn't so great, but things like databases and virtualization, you definitely want to be using SSDs. So they're definitely reliable and faster, but once you get larger, they will get more expensive. Generally, a little bit more per terabyte than what a spinning disk costs. Then you can combine these drives into something called network attached storage. They are effectively like a small scale server that is for storage only, connects to your network and allows people to access those shared files. It's centralized storage, file sharing, and backup potentially if that's what you want to use it for. It's suitable for your small and medium-sized business that require affordable high-speed storage shared in a collaborative work environment. It's cost-effective, but as you get into a larger size business, it might be a little too limited. In fact, they're a little slow once you start hitting a lot of users at once. Then you can get into SANs or storage area networks. Storage area networks are high-performance storage networks that provide block-level access to storage resources. What does that mean? It's like a NAS that can be accessed much more quickly than over your network, a lot more features, a lot more horsepower. And they run different services like server virtualization and other on-the-fly management and expansion of a SAN. So if you've got a big need for storage, maybe a big design firm, architecture firm, a SAN gives you that scalability and highly available storage. Certainly more expensive than the others, and definitely you're going to want some IT help to set up and manage it. But then the big old elephant in the cloud storage, right? It's gained significant popularity due to its flexibility, scalability, most areas cost effectiveness. The majority of our clients store their data in the cloud. Businesses can store their data on remote servers hosted by any number of cloud service providers. I'm sure you know them. I don't need to list them off here. And it's certainly easily accessible and has backup and disaster recovery and collaboration features built in. I mean, it doesn't mean you could just ignore all that stuff, but there are at least some basic protections that you don't get with on-premises local servers. It does have limitations or very high costs if you need to run specialized applications. And those are recurring monthly and will grow over time. Of course, it being in the cloud is a different level of security and privacy concerns. But anyway, to conclude, I hope you found this helpful and educational in the importance of storage in your network and where everything falls into place. Storage infrastructure is essential for your business operations, as I'm sure you can imagine. Now that you know the different kinds of storage options, I hope it helps you make a more informed decision and contributes to your business's storage success in this data-driven landscape. I'd love to hear your thoughts. Has your business recently changed up its storage or having struggles with storage? How is it affecting daily operations? I'd love to know about it in the comments. And then if you ever want to consult or chat about storage, I got my Calendly link here. Feel free to sign up for a free chat with me. Thank you for watching Stan's Garage. Stay tuned for future more valuable insights into the Master the Basics series. Leave me a like and a comment, and I will catch you on the next one.